What is going on, guys? Andrew Edwards here, editor-in-chief at GearLive.com, and today I am going to show you how to unlock the LG G7 ThinQ. So let's say you've picked up an LG G7 and it's locked to a carrier that you don't subscribe to. In my case, I have an AT&T LG G7 here, but I want to be able to use it on my Verizon smartphone plan. Here's how we can unlock it with these and make this LG G7 available on any carrier of our choosing. First thing we need to do is get the IMEI number. Just go to your dialer and type in *#06#, and from there you're going to get the IMEI displayed right on the screen. Next thing you want to do is head over to theunlockingcompany.com. By the way, big shout out to theunlockingcompany.com for sponsoring this video. Choose the manufacturer, in this case it's LG, and select the model, which in this case is the G7. Click on Unlock Now, and then you're going to choose the country you purchase it from. In my case, it's the United States, and the carrier. For the carrier, you want to choose the carrier that the phone is locked to, not the carrier that you want to use it with. So in my case, that's AT&T. Click on Next, and you're going to put in the IMEI number that the phone displays, along with your name and delivery email address. Click on Order Now, and shortly you will receive your unlocking code. Once you receive your unlocking code, go ahead and put in the SIM card that you want to use with the phone, and you'll be prompted to enter in your code. Put your code in, and you are done. Your phone is unlocked and ready to be used on any carrier of your choosing. So there you have it, guys. That is how you unlock the LG G7 ThinQ. Any questions, drop them down in the comments below. I'll meet you there for further discussion. Don't forget to click or tap on my face at the bottom of the screen in order to subscribe for free to the channel. Thank you so much for watching, as always, guys. I appreciate your support. I'm Andrew Edwards, and I will catch you in the next video.